Everything I built to track my learning journey in Notion goes live on the internet this week. Today, we're figuring out sharing and publishing in Notion. And the stuff we worked on last time, you can come grab them now. Lesson 2, let's open those doors. Turns out publishing something is kind of a big deal. This lesson follows Notion Academy's sharing and collaboration, which is the second one in the essentials path. Their version covers sharing pages with teammates, setting permissions, and understanding who can see what. Same lesson, but we're using it to figure out how we can share things with you. Let's go. Notion has two completely different ways to share, and they are not the same. The first is sharing. This is where you invite a specific person. They'll need to have a Notion account, and you can control what they do. They can edit, comment, or just view. This is for collaborating with somebody you already know. Sharing one of these trackers with your partner or a family member, this is how you do that. The second way to share is publishing. This is when you take a page and you turn it into a public website. Anyone with the link will be able to see it. And this is what we're going to do for Notion Girlie. You can do both on the same page at the same time. Publish it publicly and share the editable version with someone else separately. Once you know the difference, you realize just how much control you have. I just turned my Notion page into an actual website and it only took like 30 seconds. Open the page, go to share in the top right, hit the publish tab, toggle it on. Notion gives you a notion.site URL automatically. You can use that, or if you have a paid account, you can connect a custom domain. It takes a few more steps, so let me know if you have any questions. And just like that, we've got a website. I know it sounds underrated, but like we built this in Notion and now it has a URL. It's available to the world. And that's genuinely kind of wild. When you publish a page, all of the child pages become part of that website as well. Here's what we've got on the site right now. The first is our home page, which is like a link in bio page. You'll be able to see where else you can find us. The next is the Notion Academy companion dashboard. Every lesson, updated as we go with the things that we're building and some of my hot takes. The third thing is our Notion Academy Learning Tracker. This is a free template that you can grab now to help track your learning journey, whether you're following along with us or doing it on your own. The fourth thing is a Notion dictionary for those terms and phrases that may be a little new to you. The fifth thing is our template section. So as we build things together, we'll make that stuff available to you as well. And finally, we're adding a view of anything that people are asking, requesting, and what those updates look like. If you've got questions we can help answer, some templates you think we should be building together, or even just some ideas of what we could be doing, this is the space where we'll keep all of that updated. It's up now, so go check it out. Notion can run your whole notification system or stay completely quiet. Most people don't know they get to choose. There are two ways that this kind of works. First is mention. If you type the @ symbol on any Notion page, you can mention a person, a page, even a date. Attach a reminder to any date field and Notion will send you a notification in the app. I use these for things that I genuinely don't want to forget. Appointments, bills, the stuff that lives rent-free and keeps you up at night if you don't write it down. Yeah, that's what I use it for. If you don't want notifications, don't add the reminder. It's totally up to you how noisy Notion is. That call with your best friend where you make 17 plans and then you totally forget them, Notion AI could sit in on that. But first, let's chat about comments. You can leave a comment on any specific block and on any page in Notion. This means it's not just a note at the bottom of the page. It can actually be a note for a specific database entry, an image, even just a specific sentence. This is really useful when you're sharing pages with someone that you want to flag information to without changing the actual content. That call with your bestie, just have Notion AI help you transcribe, summarize, and even put together your to-do list. The time, the place, what to bring, whose birthday it is, what you're getting for them. Notion AI can just handle all of it. I think we'll use this one more as we build out the social club later. For now, just know that it exists and it's pretty incredible. Might be more of a reason for you to upgrade your Notion plan to a paid one. You may notice that our life lobby looks the same as it did last week. This lesson was about sharing and collaborating, not so much about building out our amenities. Not every lesson will add something new, and that's totally fine. The learning tracker that we made in lesson 1 is available now on our Notion Girlie site, so grab that and continue to follow along. Lesson 3 is the quiz for the Notion Essentials badge. We may not be doing much building there, but we will prepare you for what's ahead.